Hey there, future sales champions. Welcome back to GEM, where we transform good sellers into great ones. Today, we're diving into something crucial that every sales leader needs to master: ramping up new sellers effectively. Let's get your fresh talent crushing their quotas faster than ever before. 1. The buddy system revolution. You know what's better than learning from one expert? Learning from your entire team. Pair your new seller with different top performers each week. They'll pick up various winning strategies and build relationships across the team. What makes this really powerful is how each mentor brings their unique perspective and approach. Some might excel at cold calling, others at social selling. Your new hire gets the best of everything. It's like having multiple mentors in your pocket. 2. The Mini-Quota challenge. Here's a game changer. Break down that intimidating annual quota into weekly micro-goals. Start small, maybe 25% of the expected output in week 1, then gradually increase it. It's like training for a marathon. You don't start with 26 miles, right? The key is to celebrate these small wins along the way. Maybe it's booking 5 discovery calls in week 1, then 7 in week 2. Watch their confidence soar as they hit these achievable targets. 3. Real-time role-play revolution. Forget boring, scripted role-plays. Record real sales calls, with permission of course, and turn them into interactive learning sessions. Pause the recording at key moments and ask your new hire, what would you say next? It's like Netflix's Black Mirror, Bandersnatch, but for sales training. The beauty of this approach is that it exposes them to real customer objections, actual pain points, and authentic conversations. No more artificial scenarios. This is real-world learning at its finest. 4. The deal diary method. Have your newbies maintain a digital deal diary. Every win, loss, and almost there gets documented with 3 key learnings. Create specific categories like objection handling, discovery questions, and closing techniques. It's not just about tracking, it's about building a personal playbook. Trust me, these insights become gold mines for future deals. Pro tip: have them review their diary entries monthly to spot patterns and areas for improvement. 5. The Customer Shadow Program. Here's something most companies miss. Let your new sellers spend a day with satisfied customers. They'll understand the product's real-world impact and gather authentic stories to share with prospects. Encourage them to ask about implementation challenges, unexpected benefits, and ROI metrics. These real customer stories are pure gold in sales conversations. It's like getting a backstage pass to customer success. 6. The 30-30-30 framework. Structure each day with purpose. 30% prospecting, 30% learning, and 30% doing. The remaining 10%? That's for reflection and planning. This balanced approach prevents overwhelm and builds sustainable habits. Think of it as your seller's daily nutrition plan. The magic happens in how these segments complement each other. Morning prospecting feeds, afternoon demos, while learning time helps refine their approach for the next day. 7. The Weekly Win Workshop. Every Friday, gather your team for 30 minutes. New sellers present their biggest win or learning of the week. Here's the format I recommend: 2 minutes on the situation, 2 minutes on the approach, and 1 minute on the outcome. It builds presentation skills, confidence, and team culture all at once. Plus, it's a fantastic way to end the week on a high note. The best part? These sessions often spark innovative solutions that benefit the entire team. Remember, ramping isn't just about hitting numbers. It's about building confident, competent sellers who stick around for the long haul. These 7 strategies work together to create a comprehensive onboarding experience that actually works. The key is consistency and commitment to the process. If you found this helpful, you know what to do. Smash that like button, share it with your sales leadership network, and don't forget to subscribe to GEM for more game-changing sales strategies. Drop a comment below with your favorite ramping strategy. I'd love to hear what works for you.